Say no to SUVs, says David Ward, executive president at Global NCAP.
What?
In recent years, all of us have witnessed the SUV market booming. In fact, the Indian SUV market registered $196.75 million in 2022 and is estimated to reach $381.79 million in 2028. The SUV segment had a share of more than 50% in domestic car sales in India in 2024. India is now the third largest car market in the world. People here in India like the bold and muscular look in their cars, and most importantly, they view their cars as status symbols. Thus, you get to see a lot of politicians in Fortuners. Not only that, SUVs offer upright seating positions with amazing practicality, and this obviously is going to attract a lot of buyers. With this increasing demand for SUVs in the market, Global NCAP raises concerns over India's SUV obsession. Global NCAP, the safety rating agency for new vehicles around the world, shared its opinion on the increasing popularity of SUVs and the challenges that come with it. David Ward said that while the center has taken several steps to increase road safety, it needs to take more measures to reduce the chances of fatal road accidents. The car industry's relentless push to sell ever larger and heavier SUVs is bad news for road safety, but particularly for those driving smaller, more fuel-efficient vehicles and vulnerable road users. He stated that India should not repeat the mistakes made by the United States in excessively promoting these vehicles. As of 2022, SUVs accounted for 52.3% of the U.S. market share, up from 46.1% in 2019. In 2023, SUVs accounted for 60% of new car registrations. SUVs have been growing in popularity in the U.S., with a number of factors contributing to their growth. In 2021, SUVs accounted for 46% of new vehicle sales, up from 38% in 2016. SUVs are also the most popular vehicle choice for women, accounting for 23.9% of the women's market in 2023. As we all know, SUVs are massive cars, which means the car's bonnet height is high compared to other cars like hatchbacks and sedans. During a collision with a pedestrian in an SUV, the contact point of the car to the pedestrian is much higher, basically the upper half of the body. According to him, this factor increases the risk of fatal injuries. Ward said that the chance of a medium-sized SUV causing fatal injury is 1/3 compared to a big SUV. He said a pedestrian or cyclist hit by an SUV with a bonnet as high as 90 centimeters has a 30% chance of fatal injury than a car with a bonnet at 10 centimeters height or lower. He pointed out that the surge in SUV sales, coupled with low traffic awareness in India, could significantly impact road safety. Ward stated that this is especially dangerous for pedestrians and smaller vehicles. But there is another solution to this problem: bringing back the estates to India, like those olden days. Think about it. Estates have low bonnet height, which means the risk of fatal injury is low. They also offer with great road presence and are very practical. Estates have one major advantage over SUVs. Despite their massive size and comparatively are low to ground than SUVs, they have handling abilities like sedans. Do you think bringing back estates might improve pedestrian safety on roads? And what are your thoughts on David Ward opinions? Comment down below and do like and subscribe to my channel as most of you aren't. See you in the next one.